We begin with the gruesome report that has gripped the country all day. A woman and her 4 children are dead, a community left in shock, and a manhunt on for a person of interest in New Road, Chapelton, Clarendon. Investigators have revealed that the killings resulted from a domestic dispute. We have extensive coverage this evening, beginning with Kirk Wright, who visited the community today.
A community angered by the merciless killing of 5 family members looked on as the police painstakingly processed the crime scene.
About 7:50 this morning, the police were contacted that their family member went to a home and found 5 persons killed in the house.
The 5 include the mother, Kemisha Wright, who is 34 years old. The children have been identified as 15-year-old Kimani Smith, 10-year-old Shemani Smith, and 5-year-old Kefani Smith. The youngest, Tishon Henry, was just 23 months old. They were all found with their throats slashed.
They seem to have been killed with some sharp implement.
The 5 deceased were the only occupants of the house until 2 months ago, when we were told a relative started staying there. The police have now listed that relative as a person of interest.
One Rushane Barnett, OC Jet. He's also of Wilson Run Trelawney or Papine in St. Andrew. He's 23 years old and is a cousin of the deceased.
The police say from all indications the killing might have stemmed from a family dispute.
I heard that he borrowed some money from she also, and then like she asked for the money, and then afterward, it caused a problem.
The children's grandmother says the family member, who is also the person of interest, left the house early this morning.
He disappeared. I sleep there with them last night.
So person saw him packing up?
He packed up from yesterday and put on him bag over his house. I tell my son say he must control the room now. He can't take it because he is going back to town.
Community members say the family member never displayed signs of aggression nor did anything that drew their suspicion. But the police commissioner says while he understands the community is grieving, he does not want them to take matters into their own hands. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.